macking on bitches, that's my two. Get your hoe up out my face, cause I'm ganking these.